Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Galaxy Station. I am extremely sorry to all of my viewers because you like Galaxy Buds Pro related video, but it has been a long time since I uploaded my last Galaxy Buds related video. So I have decided to upload a very special Galaxy Buds related video. This is about one of the weak point of Galaxy Buds Pro. It's about Buds ear tips. If you are a Galaxy Buds user, then Galaxy Buds ear tips is a very important component for your buds. It ensures your comfort and the clarity of sound, and it's also an integral part of the ANC system. But after using Galaxy Buds for 2.5 years, I have been facing a serious problem regularly with my buds. What is that? That is the ear tip of my Galaxy Buds Pro came off too easily. Very easily it come off. Sometimes it stuck onto my ear, which is very irritating. I don't know why Samsung make a design mistake like this, because no ear tips should come off this easily, and I have already lost my Samsung Buds Pro's original ear tips because of this. And Samsung give me three sizes of ear tips in my Galaxy Buds Pro box. But the problem is they gave me one of each sizes: small, medium, large. And obviously I am a small size user. So what is the solution? The solution is AliExpress. I bought three pair of Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro small size ear tips from AliExpress, and most importantly, these three sets of ear tips only costs me 76 cents. Yes, you heard me right. These three pair of ear tips costs less than $1. If we are considering the original price of Galaxy Buds Pro, then $1 is nothing. Okay, I have the replacement ear tip in my hand, but how good this is, let's have it. I am feeling it. Yes, this looks absolutely perfect. It's made out of silicone and it feels almost as like as the original one. I am satisfied with my first 15 seconds experience with these ear tips. Still, I don't know about the longevity of these ear tips, but I guess I have to order another three pair of ear tips very soon, because the problem lies in the Samsung's design. They, I think, intentionally wants the ear tip to fall off my Galaxy Buds Pro. In this way, they can ensure I can and I will buy a new Buds Pro. But Samsung, there is AliExpress, and AliExpress is selling reasonable priced very good quality ear tips for your Galaxy Buds Pro, and I am recommending these products to everyone. If you are interested in purchasing these Galaxy Buds Pro ear tips, be sure to check the video description below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this. If you find this video helpful, share it with your friends who might benefit from it too.